Hey there, and how are you today? My name is Carla. I'm an adult doll collector, and you are in my hangout. And today we are going to do the rest of the tutorials to make some clothes. So we will be making a skirt that's also can be a dress. We'll be making this cardigan. We'll be making this dress, these leggings, and this sweater. And I do hope you join along and have some fun. So without further ado, let's get on with it. This is future me, like after I've made everything else. Letting you know that if you do take the time to like a video really helps the algorithm. And so if you like what I'm making and you want to see more of it, just go ahead and hit that like, right? It's in here somewhere, I think, right? It's a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that. It helps me out a lot. Okay, now on with the video. I'm going to take this sock. I'm going to cut off this part here. I'm just going to follow this line. So I already have the fold. And I'm going to use this for the top of the skirt. But first of all, let's see how much of the skirt we're going to trim down. And I do want to fit a little loose so it can also fit my curvy dolls. So I'm going to sew this part. All right, let's make the leggings. So here's the pattern, and we're going to cut out two. So I'm going to cut the sock. I'm going to make some pink leggings this time. I'm going to cut the sock down the middle. There we go. You probably should use pencil, but I use pen. But that doesn't mean that you should use pen. All right, and then for the other sock, I'm going to get this out. So I'm going to turn it over. And now I'm going to cut it out. And I'm going to be cutting right on the line for the waist. The rest of it, though, we'll be cutting a little ways away from the fabric. All right, and then I'm going to cut out one part to go across the waist. So I'm just going to save this one up here. What we're going to do next is we're going to have them good side to good side, and this part that's a little more defined, we're going to sew this together. Don't sew anything else, just this. Okay, now we're going to add the waistband. I have it going about like this. It should fit around the doll's body, but I do want this to also be able to fit a curvy. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to sew it to the top of where the waist would be. And then I'm going to stretch it until it comes to this side. And I'm going to sew this all along, about 1/4 of an inch down. Right, so I trimmed off the extra fabric, and it should look somewhat like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it good side to good side, and I'm going to sew this leg all the way up to here. I'm not going to sew that. Do the same thing on the other side. All right, it's going to look somewhat like this. Yours will probably be better, but you know. The last thing we need to do is sew all the way from here all the way down. Then you turn them, you know, right side out, and got a pair of leggings. All right, and here are the leggings. Let's make a sweater to go with these. All right, and again, of course, you know, just going to lay it down. I've got the dividing part. And I'm going to trace out just part of it. All right, now I'm going to cut it out. And again, like I did on the other one, the part where the end of the sleeve is, I'm going to cut it right down to the line. The rest I'm going to cut slightly. I'm going to give myself a little bit of extra material. Seam allowance, there we go. And along the bottom of the shirt, I'm also going to again cut right on that line. We have the bottom of the skirt cut out. Let's get the cups for the sleeve cups and the trim for around here. I cut it in half. I'm going to cut this in half. Okay, so we have the sleeve cuffs. The other part of this I'm going to use for the neckline. And this will go around the neck. So the first thing I'm going to do is sew on for the sleeves. Right, and just like other times that you've seen me, I'm going to take the part that's open up at the top here, and I'm going to have that good side to the good side on the sleeve. And I'm going to sew this across here, about 1/4 of an inch down, and I will be gently tugging it so it goes across the entire end of the sleeve. And I'll be doing that for both sides. This time we cut a seam down the back, but this time I'm just going to find the halfway point on the back, and then once again with the open part up, good side to good side, I'm going to stitch this onto here all the way around to the back. We have the neckline on, and we have the sleeve cuffs on. Now this is going to be the bottom part of the dress, and we have this part that's cut out. Now what we need to do though is measure this across, and we're going to trim off just this bit of extra from here. We want them to be the same, pretty much the same length. And then I'm going to cut down on this side. And believe it or not, we're almost finished. But this so it matches up along the bottom of the top here. So you're good side to good side. And we're going to just sew along this line. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, so it should be like this. And then we're going to have the good sides, good side to good side, folded in. So from the cuff of the sleeve all the way along and all the way to here. I'm going to do that on both sides, and then we'll be done. Okay, and here's the dress. It's a pretty simple one. All right, the last thing we're going to do will be the cardigans. So I'm thinking I'm going to have the cardigan have this base color and then have the sleeves be this. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut off all of this top part here. Now I'm going to sew from here to here, and here to here. And as you can see, I kind of did a little graduated kind of cutout as well. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to attach the sleeves. So here we have the sleeve, and they're very handily already folded. So I'm going to take this fold and I'm going to combine it for where the seam is. And I'm going to sew it good side to good side with it going this way, and I'm going to sew all along. Okay, so now we have the sleeves on. So the next thing we're going to do is good side to good side. And we are going to sew from here and all the way down to there. And we're going to do that on both sides. All right, so we have the basics of the sweater. So I'm going to turn it around now. I'm going to make this be the front. I'm just going to cut down the middle. And then up here, I'm going to kind of go from, this time I'm going to go from down here. And I'm just going to curve it. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to take this part that's folded that faces up, good side to good side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew this all along here. Down to the bottom. All across the bottom. Back up the side and to the back. All right, now that you have this all around, you should have two ends here. So I'm going to take those two, and we're going to sew this together. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go along and I'm going to sew along this seam all the way around. And that will kind of make all of this sit correctly. All right, and once you've sewn it down, you'll see that the edge will stay put. And on the other side, by sewing it from this side, you kind of sew it so this part holds it down. And then trim away your extra fabric. All right, and here's how the cardigan fits. Alright, well that's the end of my video, and I do appreciate you joining me. Well, we got to make a cardigan, a skirt that can also be a dress. We got to make a dress, a sweater, and some leggings. I hope the tutorial was easy enough, and if you have any questions, please go ahead and ask. I'm always more than happy to answer your questions. So yeah, but I kind of like them. So I think I've, everything else that you've seen made, you just need to vary, lengths or whatever, but you have the patterns now for everything that you've seen. So yeah. Now, if you like this video, please hit like. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. I love my subscribers. My subscribers are the best people in the whole wide world. I'm not just saying that. It's facts, folks, okay? It's just the truth. And if you would like to become a subscriber, I have a subscribe button. It's on this side. It says subscribe, and all you have to do is hit it. And if you're watching this on TV, the subscribe button is somewhere up in here. And Once again, just go ahead and hit that. And by the way, that hitting that hyper button also goes a long ways toward helping its noob, and it's very handy. If you take the time to comment, I will take the time to answer. I absolutely love hearing from you guys. It really makes my day. And yeah, oh, and sharing is caring. It's a great time of year to make some nice cozy clothes for the dolls, so go ahead and share this video. You never know who might find it handy. And on that note, though, I'm going to let you go. And no matter what time of day it is, whether it's morning, noon, or night, I do hope it's fantastic, because you deserve fantastic things. And I'm out of here, so goodbye.